Yo, what is going on, guys? In this video I'm going to be showing you how to get free Robux. You can get 10,000 Robux for completely free, which is about $100 worth. This uses Roblox promo codes that you can redeem in the official Robux website in the redeem codes part here, and it is going to supply your Roblox account 10,000 Robux. And I was searching a long time on Google and also watching other YouTube tutorials. Most of them don't even work, but I'm going to show you how to go ahead and do this and get free Robux in Roblox. Before I show you it, I am also doing a gift card giveaway. I'm giving digital gift cards for tons of Robux to people who like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also spam your Roblox username in the comment section below. I'm going to be scrolling down and choosing a bunch of people to give gift cards to, so make sure you do spam your username. But this tutorial is going to be showing you how to get free Robux uses Roblox promo codes in 2026, and it takes a few minutes, guys. So what you're going to want to do is use your mobile internet browser. I'm using an iPhone here. You can do this on Android as well, and you just need to head on over to this website, www.crashcoupons.com. So it is very important you type it correctly, so make sure you copy it down exactly how I've typed it here, Crash Coupons. And what it's going to do, guys, it's going to bring you to this codes website. Now, they don't only have Robux codes or Roblox codes, they have video game codes and stuff. They have loads and loads of pages. So what I do recommend doing is using the search bar where it says search here at the top, and in there just type in Roblox promo codes. So make sure you do type Roblox promo codes to navigate your way to this codes page, guys. Now there's different codes available. They have stuff like avatars and items and stuff. But we're interested for this video in the 10,000 free Robux code. So just find this code here and click on get code. As you can see, this is going to get 10,000 Robux for free in Roblox. So click on show full code. Now this entire process of getting your Roblox promo code takes just a few minutes, and it is well worth it. So let's just go ahead and get a valid code. So you can see the code is here and it says locked, and it is hidden. Basically, guys, as you can see, these are limited codes. There's 591 at the minute. And obviously, considering 10,000 Robux is like $100, this does prevent people getting more than one of these codes. So to get your personal code, click on this button, and you're going to be brought to a new screen that tells you how to unlock your Roblox promo code for free Robux. It says complete 2 of the free offers below, and this is going to unlock your code from Crash Coupons. So basically what this is, guys, this is a human verification step. Basically confirms you as a real person, and it unlocks your code. These tasks are all completely free, and they take a few minutes to complete, but they're really easy things like installing mobile apps, playing games, answering surveys. You just need to make sure you complete 2 of them and follow the instructions below each task. So as an example, this one at the bottom is a email submission, like a free survey where you tap on it and you just have to answer some questions and then input a valid email address. It's very important you put in correct information if you choose a survey, because it does verify you as a real person. Alternatively, you can do other things like installing and opening mobile apps and stuff like that. So just follow the instructions. I've already done this. It does limit 1 code, so I'm going to skip forward. But yeah, if you do everything on that page, it's going to send you back to Crash Coupons, and your Roblox promo code for your 10,000 free Robux will be revealed in this box. So yeah, you grab the code once it's fully unlocked and redeem it in the official Roblox redeem codes part of the website. So you put the code in here, press redeem, and that is going to give you 10,000 Robux for completely free. So that is it, guys. It takes about 5 minutes to do this, but it's definitely the easiest method to get free Robux in 2026. So head on over, guys, to Crash Coupons, and then navigate your way to the Roblox promo codes page and just select the 10,000 Robux code. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I am doing that Robux gift card giveaway, so make sure you do drop a like on this video and subscribe, and leave your Roblox username in the comment section below. Spam your username. I'm going to be choosing a bunch of people. Anyway, I'll see you in my next tutorial. Enjoy, guys. Peace out.